Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a SafePal wallet using the SafePal app. Follow these simple steps. First, download the SafePal app on your phone and open it. Once you open the app, tap on Create Wallet. Now you'll be asked to create a 6-digit password. Enter a password that you can remember. Then, enter the 6-digit password again to confirm it. Next, SafePal may give you the option to enable Touch ID or biometric authentication. You can enable it if you want quick and convenient access to the app. After that, you'll see an option to back up your wallet. It's strongly recommended to complete the backup and securely store your recovery information. Never share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. If you choose to skip the backup for now, you can continue, but make sure you understand that you could have trouble recovering the wallet later if you lose access to your device. Once you're finished, your SafePal wallet setup is complete. That's it. These are the simple steps to create a SafePal wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more app tutorials and tech guides.